This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Jeep Compass key fob battery. First, you'll need to identify the correct battery type, which is typically a CR2032 coin cell. Gather a small flathead screwdriver and your new battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the internal components are quite small. This careful preparation ensures a smooth and successful replacement process. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key might be. Gently insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the buttons and internal components are properly seated. Press the halves together firmly until you hear them click securely into place. Once reassembled, test the key fob's functionality with your Jeep Compass to ensure it's working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.